Hello viewers, let's go and learn how can we make lamp post on roadsides. And at the end of this presentation, I also added white moon glowing light to the light of the lamp post colors, which is daylight color. So let's watch it on the screen. Now a picture has been pasted on first slide, so let's go to second slide and go to insert, and then insert, click shapes, and then U-turn arrow shape. Click it and we will modify it a little. So press and drag it down, so the shape is changed, and now at the other end push it up. If you would like to change the curve, you can also do it from this point. So let's go and change the color, give it a black color and no outline. It's done. Our post is ready, and now we will make a bulb. Click insert, then shape, and this time click this shape, make the upper area a little shrink. Now click on it, format, and then fill color, give it a red color preferably, and like the past, no outline, or shape outline, no outline. It's done. So now we will simply increase a little the transparency to place the bulb. So go again, insert, shapes, and make a round shape. Give it a white color as well, no outline, and place it in the red area of the lamp post. Right click, send it to back. Now white light is visible in red, so we will make the transparency up to 0. So first select all and let's group it for our ease, then click on the red area of the light and 0 transparency. Now go again, insert, shape, and now drag a rectangle. Let's click on it, format, and fill shape, give it a light color or orange color and no outline. Simply click on it and send it to back. Now once again click on this light, go to effects, and in effects come down to soft edges. We will make smooth the edges, so click preset and 10 points, so you will see that the light edges are now softened. You can increase, decrease the size of the shape or the light. Change the color to a lighter light, then go to glow and select this glow as well as change the size of the glow. Now our light lamp post transparency and glow is adjusted. Transparency is necessary because of the light even distribution. Now it's done. So now select all the items or encircle it, right click, group it. This is just for our ease. Now right click, copy it and go to the picture, paste it. Now bring the lamp to the edge of the road and place it on the line. Ctrl D for creating duplicate, and once again and make it smaller. Now click on the lamp, go to format and see the height. So let's change the height to 4. It's for the reason that we will create duplication of all threes. So next is 3 and the last one is simply about 2. And now we will create a duplicate by pressing Ctrl D and turn it towards the road. Now go again, and click the middle lamp and Control D, bring it to the other side of the road, turn it and do the same with the last one. You can also measure the exact position of both by placing a virtual ruler. Now let's see a full screen view. It's lamppost, and now after this I'll add moonlight. So that is added. I would like that the viewer may try the moonlight, how they can add it, along with their comments on the video. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.